Now, you might think, Guti, that was good. For me, that was bad for Sundowns, right? Now, I want you to see this and tell me, Guti, the ball is already out. It's moved. Ne? The ball is moved. And look at where Titus Ugu. You'll trapper, boo. You'll trapper, then you look up for options. Yes, Matthews was offside, but still 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you pass it late. Sambonani, welcome to Couch Coach. Your coach on the couch, the best coach on the couch. Please like, please share, and please subscribe. But the most important thing, please enjoy the film session. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for pressing the play button. Mamelodi Sundowns 1, Stellenbosch 1. Most of you guys know Wooten Favy Sundowns. And what hurts me the most is I saw this coming against Durban City. After Durban City, I spoke about this. Uguti, problem is Sundowns, they don't want to kill off a game. They just want to manage a game. That's why I picked the Pirates to win the league. Right? It's because you have to kill off a game. Sundowns is a team that will give you just a chance out of nowhere. I'll show you the video against Durban City. Then I'll show you a mistake. Wow. Just out of nowhere, they'll give you a chance. Now let's start. Durban City, Stellenbosch, right? You could see from the first minute, this is the first minute, people are going to throw in Titus, people are pumelela, but they started here. Titus Yonzani, he doesn't press. Look what he does. He comes back into the 4. Now, if you're a football fan and you watch Man City versus Arsenal, the last 2 games, the one on the weekend and the FA Cup final, Man City, how they were defending or how they were shaped up, they were shaped with a 4 in front. It was a 4-2-4. Not easy to break that. And the Sundowns, how they started was not the right way. They changed it 3 times, or they changed it 2 times, right? First it was the first formation, then they changed it, then they changed it again. After changing it for the second time, that's when Sundowns started flowing. If you watch the game, they couldn't press. This is the 4. Now, these are the 4 guys in front. I don't think they were playing with a natural striker, because I know this guy is a midfielder and this guy is a midfielder. But this guy, Gakulu, was told to focus on either Umethu, Alende and Umukwe. Right? This time Umukwe. Now, when you play against a team that gives you space in the middle, right? Remember the 2 double pivots here. So you need to have half turns. You have to play people like half turns, right? But Lentole ifuna good passing. You need good passing. You need good trapping. Sundowns in the first 10 minutes, they were not doing that. That's why they couldn't break. That's why they couldn't break Stellies. Keep on watching. I'll show you. Before Sundowns changed their formation or they switched players, they started playing long balls because they didn't know what to do, right? The starting pattern was not working, right? Okay, let's start here. So Matthews was playing on the right as a right wing, right? Matthews was playing as a right winger, and then you had Untabeleng playing as a half turn on the left hand side. You have Untabeleng playing here on the left hand side, and then Ualende was playing a double pivot with Umukwena, but he would push forward. This is when they played the ball long. You had Usales playing as another half turn. Umudiba was playing as a left back but pushing forward. In this pattern when they started the game. Here's another example, right? Mukwena, double pivot, Mutau, right? This is Untabeleng, this is Usales. Now Matthews is here. I need sharp. Long ball. because they couldn't find spaces in the middle. Let me show you the last clip. The last clip of Sundowns playing long passes. This time on the left hand side. On the left hand side. Here is Untabeleng here. Here is Umudao. Right? Now Umudao now. Watch what happens. Ball gets played long. Because they couldn't find spaces. Unlucky pass there. The pass could have been better. I think Balploki. Stellenbosch started well with their shape, right? Yeah, yes, with their shape. But the problem was what they did it, I think, 2 times or once in the first half, right? It's what most teams, they fall into the trap of trying to press Sundowns. The ball gets played in the middle, Balbuisela Pambil, right? Balbuisela Pambil. Sundowns lost the ball. Now watch what happens. They go and press. Don't press. If you press, you are going to open up the space, right? That is the problem. If you go and press, now the stadium is big, the ground is cool, so you rather stay and be compact than when you press. Remember, you're playing with 2 double pivot, you're pressing with 4 there. The moment you press, these 2 in the midfielders, they are vulnerable. The 2 in the midfield, they are vulnerable. They are vulnerable. These are the 2 I'm talking about. Now, watch space here in the middle. Now, you might think, Guti, that was good. For me, that was bad for Sundowns, right? The quality in the front line is Sundowns. You eyenza ukuthi bangakhona ukufinisha off ama-games. Let me show you ukuthi ngikhuluma ngani. Like, simple thing, the basics bafethu. If yabona mawumnandi, your first touch is like, it's like money, guys. It's like money. It will give you a lot of things. It will take you away from trouble. Now what you think here, now there's space, my boy. There's space for you to trap the ball. If you trap the ball, then 2 touch is very important. Not a lot of players can pass in the first touch or can shoot with the first touch, right? If you tap the ball here, the problem for you are even shaped incorrectly. But I see here now, if you tap the ball here, it's either you can shoot or you can pass there. Your pass can become better. Ipola lihambe phansi. But now ipola lakho lihamba kuphi? Lihamba phezulu. Sundowns is the only team that I know that will just give you a chance out of nothing. And it's up to you, Guti, you sebenzisa or not. In this clip, I'm going to show you the chance that Stelis get. Kevin Hunt only knows how to play one way, right? Is to play direct, especially against small teams. Against the Sundowns, he wants to play with crosses, and that's not a bad idea. It's actually a good idea. Now, this is when Sundowns changed positions, right? They were swapping. Matthews came on the left. Now, let me show you. This was the problem. They got a chance because Sundowns players didn't know which formation, not even formation, right? This is when it happened. Now, you look at where Matthews is. Matthews Ula as a half 10. You have Utiki, you have Usales. Now, Allende is in the wrong position. This is when Ngiti, they were making the changes or Ama switch, right? Umudao is here. Wrong position. Now, they lose the ball. Okay, Angiti, they were still finding themselves. Nothing wrong. Okay, sharp. Now, ball gets played out wide. Stelis. Umdak. Out of nowhere. Let me come this side. Out of nowhere, you are giving a team a chance. Out of nowhere. Now, the simple thing here, I don't know why in Panagit. Why don't you play here? Why don't you play these two? It is safe there. It is safe. Because I'm not sure if you got a message, Guti, man on or something like that. I don't know. But yeah, my man, it is safe. Safe. Sundowns likes to play under pressure. They should have won this game. But no, they just want to put themselves under pressure, under unnecessary pressure. Now I want you to see this and tell me, Guti, the ball is already out. It's moved. The ball is moved. And look at where Titus Ugu. I don't know Guti offside or not because the rules because I'm not sure if he's offside. In the last clip I said the Sundowns were not I said Guti, they switched the formation, right? Matthews, remember in the beginning, was playing on the right, then he came on the left, playing as a half 10. Now, this is when Sundowns started to find spaces in the pocket. And Matthews was here, he's making a run there. This is Umutau. Now, Tabeleng playing as a 10. Sales playing as a half 10. Now, what do you have? This is actually Sundowns' best formation. When you have three guys play one, let's say we are attacking that side. This is Usales, this is Untabeling, this is Matthews. Then you have your full backs pushing up, which you have Umutau, then you have Umutiba pushing up. That's Sundowns' best formation. They are dangerous when they play like that. Now watch, the ball is gonna come here. Because now you have people in Guma half spaces. You have Untabeleng la and you have Usales Ngad. I mean, you have Matthews la, this is Untabeleng, then Usales Ula. You always have people Guma half spaces. Then you just pass the ball there. The final product, anything you show, the final product, poor. In the beginning of the video, I said Sundowns changed positioning 2 times. First it was Matthews playing on the right hand side as a right winger, then playing as a half 10. Now this time they have Umutiba pushing in the middle. I'll show you more videos of him being here. No, it was just a once-off. No, this was a tactical switch. This is how the goal comes. This is how Sundowns scores this goal. This is how they score this goal. I'm gonna take it back and show you, Guti, where was the problem. Estelis. Yeah. Pagat. Inside. Beautiful goal. Now let me take it back and show you where was the problem when it comes to defending la. I keep on telling you, Guti, when you play against a team that has a half 10, it's a problem. You can't be pressing with 2. Go back and look at the video I did, Pirates against Richards Bay. They were playing with 3 in the midfielders, or 5. Let's say 5. 2 wingers and 3 midfielders. Now, sharp. This is Usales, Angit. This is Usales. This is Umutau here. Now watch. This guy will press here. The central midfielder will press la Untabeleng. Now, Usales, who is picking up Usales? But watch what happens. Now he's all alone. Now, Matthews makes this run. He makes this goal. Because this run gives space here. But this guy was supposed to be on Usales. You need to recognize, smell danger, you taste the danger. You go and kill the danger. But he doesn't smell the danger. Ball gets played. Too much space, Lam, Panagit. Abasha. Pagat inside. Simple. When you have 2 players playing as a half 10 and a 10, that team will cause you problems. Evidence of Mutiba playing as a half 10. This was actually a good move by Sundowns here. Now, Nangu Modiba. Not la, not here. Right? I told you. Tactical plan. Now watch what happens. Ball comes to the left. The space in the middle. Allende is all alone. Angit. Seba Cartel. 2 touch. Unlucky there. Unlucky there. Final clip and a half chance is Sundowns. Yeah? Nangu Modiba la. Half 10. Tabeleng playing as a 10. Sharp. So Modiba switched. No. Matthews here on the left. That's why it's tactical change. You have to adapt. I like coaches that adapt to things ezenzakala gaming. Angithi sharp. Ball will come back. Another thing ebhayizisa abantu. When Mokoena drops into the defenders, he will push. He will push. Just watch. This is him. Now, look at where Modiba is. In the space, in the pocket. Bad there, bad, poor. Why? Because he didn't scan. And then he first touch yakhe ibala. Right? Yes, he could have passed the ball to Utsik. But he didn't scan. He didn't scan. He could have played the ball 1 touch to this boy. Okay, sharp. Nothing wrong. But scan and Panagit. This guy is worried about Matthews here. Scan and Panagit. If you scan, and then you know Guti, there's no one. Then your first touch, Libala Pamgwa. Then you shoot with your second touch. But he doesn't scan, and then he takes 3 touches. 1, 2, 3. 3 touches. Second half. Stellies started pressing his Sundowns. The problem. These players are too good. If you keep on pressing them, angeke ba pull. Don't fall into the trap. The problem is with Sundowns is the quality up front. Now, let me show you. Okay, I'm going to show you the clip against Devon City. What I said. Now, don't fall into the trap of pressing. When you press, you give space here. They are going to kill you. Now, wait. Now you are pressing with 4. Remember, you have a double pivot here. Now, the space is here. Who is going to pick? They have a 10 and 2 half 10s. 1 number 10 and 2 half 10s. Bahleli la. But when you have 2 middle fielders, you are outnumbered. You must not fall into the trap. This is Usales. They don't know what to do. Watch. Not pressing. Bapumil. They are out. They are out. Now, quality up front. Quality. Yeah. Okay. Now here, Utsiki. I think he made a mistake here. He's making this run, then he stops. He's making this run here, then he stops. By him stopping, he gave the left back to go and close down. Usales. Right? For me, he should have continued because he's not offside. Continue here, my man. For me, he should have continued because he's not offside. Ulontuzana ule pamgwakhe. Suka. I used to be a defender, guys, and what I hate the most is defenders that don't like defending. Watch Reynas making a run. Reynas is making a run, and then you stop. Why are you stopping? Why do you want to play him offside? Don't give Abo Revri a chance to make a call. We don't have VR, my man. Go and defend. Suga. Now, Kishabayo call. this thing engishoyo ukuthi uReynolds, he's already looking up, guys. uReynolds, he's already looking up. He's looking for options. Had he continued, uTiki, had he continued with his run, I am sure Reynolds bekazomphasa. Because he had 2 touches, he did 2 touches pair. He turned and then he looked up, looking for someone with azomphasa. Jehovah. Matthews put the ball in the back of the net, but he offside. You know? One thing about Matthews, those chances or in less about some offside, you always score them. La ngekho offside khona. Okay. Quality. Good pressing there. Unfortunately, azange balwini ball, but good pressing there. Now watch. Half 10, it will give you a problem. Bekusales useklasini uphakamisa isandla. Menier Mudiba. Mfe ball wamufa. 1 2 3 4 5. Pass offside. Good finishing though. Good finish by Matthews. Mara, okay, I know, okay, Mara. Quality. I don't know why I'm finding it. He scanned, he did everything. Mara, why first touch yake ila igcwale inyaweni? First touch yake ne second touch yake zigcwale inyaweni. You could have tapped the ball first time because in a space, we'll tap her, boo. We'll tap her, then you look up for options. Yes, Matthews was offside, but still 1 2 3 4. Then you pass it late. There's a defender, ASTLs, Muluisan. I hear a lot of people saying he must go to Chiefs made him 10. I feel Chiefs. Now, Sundowns had a good move here. They should have scored. And again, Leon, I have a fit positioning. Okay, sharp. And then, if you watch Sundowns when they start Adams, Nomukweni, then second half they bring on Allende. Just know what they just want to control the ball. In this game, Adams came later on, but Bafaga Uzwane. When they Faga Uzwane, they just want to control the game. For me, because he's that player also figure and that extra man. But Siama Uzwane, umuntu 10, he gave a good chance here. Ball in the middle, goes to the left, makes a run there. Look at this guy. Watch this guy. Watch the right back and watch this guy, Batimile Ayegu Chiefs. Both sleeping on duty. Now, you know, as a striker, I always say, make the run there. You are not going to get the ball here because this is too tight. It's too tight, Mfanagit. Leon, go to the first pole. Look at how many goals he scored making a run in front of defenders. Penalty, Stellenbosch. Before I show you what happened before a penalty or the penalty, watch this. But look, that's why the intention, if you start the game by saying you want to kill off the game first half, aggression, then second half you can relax, it's possibly 2 or 3. Because at 1-0, one mistake, we are dead, the league is gone. I've said it many times, guys, Guti, you have to kill off a game because Sundowns will always give you silly goals. They'll always do a silly mistake. Now, watch. It was a corner kick, yes, Stellis. Stellis, Siaba pressa. Now, ball goes back. Now, I want you to look at this. This is Umutiv. This is Umutiv. So, when the ball goes back to the keeper, everyone needs to go into their position. We have to keep a shape here. Our defensive shape. Everyone, right back. So, okay, everyone. But they don't do that. Watch. Long pass. Look at where Umutiba is. This is Uzwane la. Why would you have that? You had time to shift across. You had time to shift. You didn't shift. Okay, sharp. Now, mfana kithi. Penalty. Bathi, a wise man learns from other people's mistakes. A wise man learns from other people's mistakes. Ukekana put his foot up, ne? Wakhahlela umuntu bathi red card. There was no need for you, mfana kithi, to lift your foot there. Besingekho isidingo, boy. One thing that you must know, ukuthi attackers or strikers, ne, they are scared of putting their body. Bayasaba. This boy, Undamane, could have went in with his head, angene, put your body on the line. This guy was not going to put his foot. If he does, then it's a foul. But no, it's just unfortunate. It's unfortunate. Boy two bayenzani, they put up their foot and the boy two bayal mesa. But what ends up happening is Guti, they slipped. This pitch is not a good pitch. Ukados has been saying it forever. Hit the ball, mfana kithi. Just jump and hit the ball for a corner kick. Penalty. You can't blame the ref there. It's a penalty. Simple thing, out of nowhere, Sundowns will give you an easy chance, an easy goal. Do the easy thing. Press like, press subscribe. Please join and become a member. Thank you for watching Bafethu. Ngiyabonga.